Let's see the story of sound H. The name of this letter is H and the sound of this letter, again here's the story. So, Hemant had a cute horse. Hemant had a cute horse. One day, the horse got missing. So, Hemant was very upset. He went to the park, to the market, everywhere in search of the horse. But the horse was not there. So, Hemant climbed up on the hillspigya, in search of the horse. And when he reached on the top of the hill, he was very tired and he was huffing like, yes. The sound of letter H is hills, hat, horse. Okay, children? So practice this sound again and again.